Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a 1999 Toyota Prado head unit. Customer just came in saying that his head unit is not working because it's on security code, and normally the generic code for testing is 1, 2, 3, 4. Just number 1 4 times and you should be able to get it on, but this one here is not responding. Let's see why. But show you how to take off the head unit. Let me place it down here. Hopefully you can see the whole dash and all. Yeah. To get these off, they're pretty easy. Just move the gear stick back if it's an auto or manual. Just move it back. Make sure you've got the handbrake up. Or just clips. So pretty much this whole panel here just pulls right out. Okay. First off, get the ashtray out. You can use a little white pick, pop them out, or if you've got some fairly decent nail, you can just pry it out like so. It should pull right back. Fairly easy, fairly straightforward stuff. And then just unplug the all the controls and buttons on the side here. Just clip in. You can leave it on the side like that, just like so. Okay, that in turn will expose our 4 screws. You can either use a Phillips or you can use a 8mm socket, and that will get them out as well. I like using the drill on these because it's nice and quick. And then we'll just unplug them. Unplug them out like that. There you go. Now you know why, because there's coins in there. I'm pretty sure the kids to the back there chuck coins into this little slot here, which then shorts out the circuit in there because they're metal, and metal is conductive. And that will short out the circuits in there. So let's bring these guys over here. Gonna do prepare of the wiring loom, run the microphone up, mount that aftermarket Kenwood one into this. Okay, it's fairly straightforward. Hopefully you can see. I'm just gonna pop you up here on the bench. Alright, let's get started. Crimping tools. This off, put these off. Okay. Don't use these original screws because what happens is very soft. So as soon as you round off the head, makes it near impossible to get them out. Okay, so if you can, take them out. Put your aftermarket ones in. Easier using the mushrooms one. Take the one, put back the box there. Okay. Pop out like that. And this will line up to one. Then a electrical frame, whatever all the screw holes and everything will line up perfectly. Like so. Strip all the wires off, and then we put some of our terminals in for it. We're not going to do the antenna because it's already been, checked up, so it's going to do the rest of it. Constant, accessory, there's kind of a positive, good left, cut right, good right, left negative, left negative, two right positive, right positive. I'll just keep it crimping. Normally about 11 wires, so grab our handful. Accessory, a bit of twist so it makes it thicker. Crimp that to the bottom of it. Constant, yellow, black, brown. One with black trace is your front left negative. I'm just folding them back a bit, so like I said, it's got some mint crimps to actually wipe into it, so it doesn't come off. Grey with the black trace is your front right negative. Purple is rear right positive. Violet, whatever. Violet with a black trace is your rear right negative. The green is your rear left. This one here hasn't got a trace, so it's rear left positive. Rear left negative. And green with black trace. Last grey, no trace on it, green for this front right positive. Okay, got that done. I'm just going to run the mic and plug these in, okay? Fairly easy. Get my trusty claw. Hopefully you guys can see from here. Double check, make sure you guys can see. Hopefully you can, yep. Same way as I run all my other mic, up on the pillar there, run it down, and across the console, behind of course, all the way through to up here where the heat unit's going to sit. So, use our little white pick again, run the wires up there. New jack here, and mic come in. Drop it in there. Try and run it across without getting tangled into anything. And we're going to bring it up. ran in the wrong hole. Bring it across over here. Now just waste up the excess wires. Some people like to put it like where the mirrors are. I like to put it on the corner there because it's closer to your mouth. That's the only reason. Anyway, personal preference, doesn't really matter. And now let's get into the wiring part. Okay, standard Toyota. So we've got a front, constant, which is on the top of the plug on the right hand side there. Next to it is your accessory, which sometimes been a grey on the Toyota plugs. This one here is a green with a red trace. Now on these, normally the illumination or parkers will be right underneath the accessory. Next to it you've got positive trigger. Both of these next to each other on the bottom is the triggers for the antenna. But in this case here, the antenna is already up and staying up, which means the motor's probably burnt out or something already, so we're not going to be using it. Now front left is on the right, front right's on the left. Okay, so left, your right's going to go on the right hand side, and then your right's going to be on the left hand side. Negative's always at the bottom, like so. Front right, which is your grey with black trace, your greys, sorry. And then you've got your rear left and right. Purple or violet is right, and greens are left, which normally goes into the red and white, which is rear right, and black and yellow, which is rear left. And that pretty much, guys, is wiring done. I like to do it this way, so if you can put the original one back in for any particular reason, you can, but you're not splicing into the wires. You know, some people say use solder and stuff, but if you think about it, as long as this is done right and pushed in properly, it won't come out. You know? Which other parts of the car has been soldered is your ignition barrel and circuit boards. Other than that, all plugs, mate. So we're just using the same principle, using plugs again. But in this case, we're making our own. So resale of it, you know, people look at it, okay, hasn't been touched, tampered, whatever, looks identical, you know, resale value goes up a bit. Okay, just quickly we're gonna grab the head unit. Now let's all plug it in. Plug, plug, plug. Nice and easy. So we've got our loom, your antenna, and your microphone lead. Very simple and easy. That should line up like that. It's got the guide pins. Plug it all in, and off we go. Nice and easy. Okay guys, pins all back in. Just put these little red clips back on again, because they have a tendency to come out when pulling the head unit out. Yep. Now it comes back in, and we just plug these guys back in. Grey plugs, green plugs. Make sure everything's in. Now they should just clip in like that. cigarette ashtray, like so. And select language, English, please. Glasso. Yes, turn off demo. It's not on the board. Turn on your radio. Some channels going on. Alright guys, done. So that's your 99 Prado, fairly easy. So if you can, help us out, put a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you can, if you want. Look forward to seeing you guys in the future on the next video. Thanks mate, bye.